Congrats, Harshala, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your year of education?
2016 pass out.
Okay, where are you from?
Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay, how come BRN?
Sir, I searched BRN on Google
Okay,
and then find this institute and came here.
okay. So, how is the journey with BRN?
It's nice, sir.
Okay, first day of Harshala and today's Harshala. What kind of difference you have been observed technically?
Strong.
Okay,
And I improve my technical skill as well as technical points.
so what is the major reasons behind that to achieve this success?
Sir, here are providing training also and technical skills
Okay.
and means how to start your career from zero level to high.
Okay,
Means here is to providing training from interview, how to crack interview,
Okay.
how to improve your technical skill
okay.
and all these things.
Okay, before joining BRN, there must be definitely some doubt because already you got a career gap.
Yeah.
So how did you trust BRN and how did you come from Nagpur to Hyderabad? How did you trust? Because there must be a lot of training issues, right?
Yeah,
So how did you trust BRN?
Sir, I heard about BRN
Okay,
to my friend
okay,
and I asked about Manjunath sir how he is taught and teach. Then he told me,
okay,
sir, his teaching is good.
Okay.
You come here and join.
okay. So before joining BRN, you might have seen a lot of success videos on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Right now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
I feel good, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between normal trainings and BRN training?
Sir, normal training are completed only 45 days.
Okay,
Like Amirpet.
okay,
But BRN is providing the full training, full
Okay.
time training in
Okay.
6 months or 6 to 7 months.
okay. How many companies that you got selected so far? How many companies you got selected so far?
4 companies.
4 companies. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
In BRN.
No, for general people.
Yeah. Improve your technical skill,
Okay,
make hard work
Okay.
and smart work also.
okay, okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.